It doesn't matter what state or what venue we're at, we're always up to no good around here, especially when a Volkswagen is involved. Well, we're going from Speedway to assembling a Volkswagen, huh?
That's right.
It wouldn't be typical HHWheels fashion to not be leaving the current venue we're camping at. We're gonna go, what, 40 minutes away?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get on the
Nice
road.
little scenic tour of Florida.
Well, hey, that's one way to do it.
A little westerly, I guess.
The Pops is taking some R&R at the beach. Let's go work on a Volkswagen.
Brookback James.
It's alright, he's on vacation. Taking the noble steed.
Appropriately noted.
Oh man, Turkey Rod is looking good. People are coming in, it's all getting set up. But we have a free day, so we're gonna use it. Turkey Rod Run is always such a fun event to hang out at, but since we showed up early and had some spare time, we figured, why not go help a VW friend who could use an extra set of hands?
Ready for this intervention?
Oh yeah, let's see what we're working with.
Jessica! You ready for this intervention?
Nice. Swinging around, stab it in. This should be easy. Should be easy. It's normally me getting you into shit like this. So.
Fair game.
The roles are reversed.
That's right.
When we rolled up, Jessica was already prepped and ready to stab this motor in, so that's exactly what we jumped in to do. Her 66 VW Beetle is the perfect little patina'd cruiser, and it's about to get a whole lot spicier with a 2180 tucked under that deck lid.
Temperature with your external temperature, so you just drink more coffee.
You are kind of a hypocrite.
Why?
Because you always do the hydrate thing and then you're sitting here mainlining coffee.
That's right.
So there is a reason why we call him Sweaty Jeff, because he sweats. He sweats in the wintertime, he sweats in the summertime. If it's fall, if it's breezy, no matter what the
Sweat in
conditions.
an Alaska snowstorm.
Pretty much. Knowing you.
Yep. You don't have to take this belt off, but sometimes it helps.
Oh my, we were just talking about that. Jeff is a great teacher. Jessica is eager to learn more about the V-dubs, so it was pretty fun to watch Jeff run her through the ropes of the install and all the little details that go into getting it ready to go in.
Release this, make sure you don't lose your springs.
You gonna do your Hulk, Jeff?
I'll do it like they do it on the television.
Oh, you're taking both off?
I'm gonna put it on my chest and I'm gonna wiggle it all up in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's no way that fits an engine compartment. These have to come off.
It feels as if every time I talk to a new person about working on Volkswagens, I always seem to hear the word easy, which they very well can be easy as long as you do the right prep work before you begin. That was a lesson that I had to learn the hard way, and Jeff got to sit there and watch me learn the hard way. To me, mentors are one of the most undervalued forms of growth and learning on the automotive side. Aside from my dad, I have learned so much from Jeff, who's basically now family, and many other awesome people who decided to take me on as a charity case at that time. It really just starts with knocking on the door, sweeping their floors, and before you know it, you'll be the mentor. Doesn't matter how old you are or aren't, you just gotta get out there and get wrenching.
I like that I never did the air cleaners though.
Yeah, I was just thinking about that. It's a little tight in there, but hey, it works.
Where'd it go? She's gonna need a battery charger or something. Just check the oil one last time. I think it was the last time. It was the right one. You got a big mob on it. You got dirtier than me. Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully it doesn't have 2 red wires in there.
There's 2 black wires.
Oh, God, even worse.
You like that?
Almost like that stuff that was right here.
Oh, the tire player.
Yep. Oh. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, try again. Yeah.
The smile on her face says it all. If you got the time, get out there and get wrenching with a car friend who might need a hand. A couple hours of your time can make a huge difference for them, and hanging out with cool people ain't too bad either.